Good evening, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. I just come back out of the cold, dark and wet on the bicycle, returned from Ikea, and there's something that I thought I'd mention that's ongoing at Ikea and that's still bothering me. And that's the fact that every time I go there, if I do go to pick up a cactus, which I often do, because I've been collecting them since 1993, I find that not all the plants there are accurately labelled. This one's got Echinocactus mammillaria, and I'm pretty sure it's not Echinocactus mammillaria, and I've made my own guess that it's actually Libivia arachnocantha. Originally I thought it was a sulco rebutia, and I ruled that out because the dried up flowers on it were far too hairy. So I've made a label for Libivia arachnocantha. Stuff it in there. So they've even got plants over there that are blatantly gymnocalyciums, and they've got them down as Echinopsis, and also mammillaria plants that says it's Mammillaria spinosissima, and it's clearly not. It's Backerberg ernestiana. So if you do have a Ikea, if you're in the UK or Europe, I don't know if it affects America as well, or even Australia, but the European suppliers for cacti at Ikea, they're not being entirely accurate, so you may have to do a bit your own research. So be careful, the names on your plants, you may have to look it up yourself. So I just thought I'd mention, I'll have to repot this one as well, put it in better compost. It's a bigger plant, it may survive. So Ikea still not renaming their larger plants accurately. Oh dear. Tatty bye.